Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use long division to divide polynomials. This method is incredibly useful for breaking down complex polynomial expressions. It's quite similar to the long division you learned for numbers, just with variables. We will go through the steps of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down terms. By the end, you will be able to confidently find both the quotient and the remainder for any polynomial division problem, making these problems much more manageable. Before we begin the actual division, proper setup is crucial. First, ensure both your dividend and divisor are ordered from the highest power of the variable down to the lowest. If your dividend has any missing terms, like an x squared term when you have x cubed and x, you must include a zero coefficient placeholder. For example, write 0x squared. Finally, set up the problem just like a standard long division, with the dividend under the division bar and the divisor to the left. Now let's dive into the iterative process. Begin by dividing the very first term of your dividend by the first term of your divisor. This gives you the first term of your quotient. Next, multiply this new quotient term by the entire divisor, writing the result below the dividend. Carefully subtract this product from the dividend, remembering to change all signs. Then, bring down the next term from the original dividend. You will continue to repeat these three steps: divide, multiply, and subtract, until you can no longer divide. You'll know you're finished when the degree, or highest power, of your remaining polynomial is less than the degree of your divisor. If your remainder is exactly 0, congratulations. That means your divisor evenly divides the dividend, making it a factor. Otherwise, you'll have a non-zero remainder. Your final answer should be presented as the quotient you found, plus a fraction where the remainder is the numerator and the original divisor is the denominator. This clearly shows the complete result of your polynomial division.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.